not only the your lawyer, the home office lawyer or home office representative, the tribunal judge will ask you question at the court hearing. So familiar yourself with the application witness statement, with the document you are using. You must know about the fact relationship. Ask your question to your lawyer, the what question I may faced, and what are the document using in the bundle. So these you have to be prepared. Viewers, this video is basically I'll explain how to prepare for a court hearing. I myself appear in the court for the court hearing many times, and almost most of all of my clients. So I will share my experience in the courtroom. And actually, when someone go to tribunal, sometimes people are a bit nervous. So in this video, I'll explain you briefly actually what happened at the courtroom and how to prepare yourself to face the immigration tribunal. My name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm a solicitor. If you have any question or if you need any assistance, please feel free to contact with our office. We are happy to provide you some basic information. If it is a complex matter, you need a consultation, please make an appointment. So when Home Office refused your application for leave to enter or leave to remain, or in any judicial review application, if you need to give a appeal, so first you need to submit an appeal within 14 days if you are in the UK. If outside the UK, 28 days. Then in some point you need to submit the bundle. You receive the home office bundle. Home office bundle basically provide all the information document you have submitted and why the home office think that the refusal was right. You will give your version of document, witness statement, skeleton argument, supporting document, evidence, all these document what you submitted and why you think the home office is wrong. So this is your bundle. You submit to the court, paginated index bundle before the hearing according to the direction issued by the court office. Then hearing day, you will go to your your designated hearing center, either in London or Birmingham or Cardiff, wherever it is. And that day, basically, what will happen? First, you'll go to the court, pass the security, and then you'll go to the reception. You must report to that court reception that I am a witness, or I'm the sponsor, or I'm the representative. I don't have a representative, so I'll represent myself. You need to give your court case appeal number and the party name. Then the court official, the clerk, will identify who you are. They will tell you take a seat in front of the reception, so wait to call. They will give you what time will be your hearing and which courtroom. Most probably they will give the name of the judge as well. So wait for your call. In some point when your time will come, the clerk will come and tell you your name, and that time will go to the courtroom. Once you enter the courtroom, you'll see in front of you the judge is sitting in a chair and table is a bit higher, and in the left side there is a chair and table, and the right side one chair and table, and in front of the judge actually one table. So you will take a seat on your place. Your place will be the front seat where you will sit, and then the judge will probably will come. When the judge will enter the courtroom, you will stand up to show respect. A clerk will give you a warning, and then once the judge take the seat, 1 or 2 minutes, judge will brief about this appeal regarding it, who is the party, and judge will explain you what happened and what will happen in this hearing. And then I presume you have a lawyer. If you have a lawyer, so your lawyer will open the case. First thing in first year immigration tribunal is judge will is there initial issue, then the judge will straight away go to your lawyer to ask to start, and your lawyer first will ask you about your witness statement, because remember there is already a witness statement in the bundle. So your lawyer will ask first, can you confirm your name, your date of birth, or your address? And then he will give you probably your statement in your hands, or in a bundle will give you, and he will ask you, can you confirm, are you familiar with this statement? Is this your statement? Do you want the judge, the tribunal judge or the court to adopt as it is your statement on that hearing? You will say yes. Then he will go to the last page of the statement, and he will ask whether can you recognize this is this signature. You'll confirm if it is your signature. Yes, this is my signature. And then this is your statement adoption finished. And then your solicitor or your legal representative or your counsel will ask you a few more questions to clarify if any issue left which is not dealt with in the witness statement. And couple of questions then your counsel will ask which are relevant to the fact. If it is not reflected on your written statement, you'll give your answer. Now, once your lawyer finishes answer, he will confirm the judge that I have no more question left unless the court need any more further insistence. And then his part finish, and then the judge, maybe at that point, judge will ask couple of questions which basically sometime your lawyer not cover. So judge maybe ask couple of questions. Again, you need to give answer. Nothing to worry. If you are honest, if you are not nervous, you can nicely deal this matter. Then it's time to come for Home Office representative to ask question. This is called cross-examination. So Home Office will ask technical question, sometimes very technical. So you have to be careful what actually, you need to understand that what question they are asking and what is the purpose behind this question. So cross-examination question is very technical, and sometimes they will give the answer in the question and they want you tell this answer, okay, to prove that you are wrong. So for example, you earn actually 18,600 pounds, but Home Office saying you earn 16,000 pounds. So Home Office will ask, Mr. So and so, you are earning 16,000 pounds per month, isn't it? Or am I correct? So 16,000 pounds is already answer is in question. If you say yes, you are in trouble. So you need to explain, no, I don't earn 60,000 pounds, I earn 18,600 pounds. And you can recommend the evidence. Well, look at the bundle, page so and so. This is the pay slip. This is my bank statement. This is letter from employer. So this is how you have to be very careful and clever when you give answer to the Home Office representative's question. Once the Home Office done their question, might be there will some issue will arise where your lawyer, your solicitor need to re-examine again to clear the confusion. So your lawyer maybe ask a couple more questions. For example, you said yes, I earn 16,000 pounds. So that is a wrong answer. So your lawyer is concerned. So your lawyer re-examine will ask again, Mr. So and so, you said you earn 18,600 pounds. But can you tell me the evidence you provided, the payslip show you earned 18,600 pounds. So can you give an explanation why you said now 16? So you can tell that at this point to the judge, this was wrong, I did a mistake, the actual answer is this. Okay, so this is what re-examination was. Once all done, then the judge will ask some question again if the judge thinks is necessary. Once everything done, all questions done, then the judge it's time to give judgment. So at that point, judge maybe deliver the judgment in open court, which is very rare. I had happened a couple of times only, but most of the time the judge will say that I'll reserve the judgment, I reserving the judgment, and after 14 days or 21 days, he will give the judgment, and probably you will get a judgment by post or by email from the first year tribunal. Now, this is the basic process I explained. Now, what you need to be, if any issue arises during the trial where you need legal advice, you can raise your hand and you can ask the solicitor that I need advice. Your solicitor ask the court to adjourn for 5 minutes, and then you can get a legal advice. Any issue arises. So if you need a break, you can tell this lawyer, your lawyer raises too. So this is not a fix that you can't go out. No, if the issue arises where you need legal advice, or in that circumstance, court will allow you to for a short adjournment, right? So this is courtroom is not a like a prison cell that you can't go, you can't do. No, the judges, they are the representative of the justice, so nothing to worry. Don't get nervous. They are very helpful. You need to just comply and be respectful to the court. So before you go to hearing, speak to your lawyer, ask all question as much as you can, familiarize yourself the witness statement, read the refusal letter, read all the document what you have. Then you have to look one thing. This is your case, you need to know more than I'll say from than your lawyer. Your lawyer will know about law, you don't know about the law, but for factual evidence document, you should know about it. The judge will not ask any legal question. Home office will not ask any legal question on you. Your lawyer will not ask any legal question, any law in the court. They will ask you about the fact, about the document you are giving, about the question of fact. So just familiarize yourself why you think home office wrong, what document are you giving, what you are saying, why they should give you visa. This is all about court hearing. So I hope this will give you a brief information and give you some confidence to face immigration tribunal. If you need any help, as I said, please feel free to contact with our office. Thank you all of you today.